Okay guys, so in this video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can do affiliate marketing without your own email list and still be able to send out an email to 1,000 people per day using Hercules Plus, which can potentially gain you lots of commission.
Use ClickBank, you get your affiliate products, you click promote, so you create an account on Hercules, you head over to copy AI, create an email, go back to Hercules, add in unnecessarily email, hit submit ad, that's all it takes.
Now the thing is, we all know email is probably one of the most interesting ways you can gain money online because you could literally gain thousands of dollars by simply one click of a button. Well, at least that's most of what it entails. Writing the email and finding the product comes into play, but it's essentially by the click of one button. Now, when it comes to sending out emails, it's very important to know the statistics, which is the click to open rate. This is how many people will open your email, then click the link and visit whatever website. Now this across all niches, the average is 14%. I know those numbers might not mean much right now, so I'll put it into perspective. So let's say you've grown an email list to about 10,000 people. Now if we're using the average of CTO rates, which is a click to open rate of 14%, again this is across all niches, if 14% of those individuals open your emails and actually click the link, that would equal to 1,400 individuals, right? Now we all know, maybe not all of us, but across the board, we know that 5% of people who receive your email on the first time will actually make a purchase. That is the 5% of people who actually open your email and then click onto the link. That will be 70 people. And the reason why it's 70 is because 5% of 1,400 is 70. Now, if you have an item of $20, you're looking at 1,400 in commission. Now, I know that's a lot. So let's just say you have a commission of $9. You're still looking at $630 after sending one simple email. I know. Which is why building an email list is one of the most crucial things to do when you have a business. But what do you do when you don't have an email list? When you can't get an email list yet? When you're simply just a beginner and you're really struggling to develop an email list? That's where Hercules Plus comes in. They literally allow you to send out an email to 1,000 random members per day, which means in a week you can send out an email to 7,000 members. Now in this case, we know that 14% will be our CTO rate, which means 140 people will open our email and click through to our link. Now from that percent, we know 5% will buy, which means 7 people should purchase. And from that, if it's a $20 item, you could expect to make $140 in commissions. Now if it's a $9 item, you can expect to make $63 in commissions. Now again, this all depends on the quality of leads you get. Remember, you did not build this email list yourself, but there could be success and it's worth a try. It's completely free. And I'm gonna show you how to do this in practically 10 minutes, and you could do this every day. So that 7 could quickly turn into 14, which could quickly even turn into 100, depending on how many days you do this. So the first thing you'll need to do is find an item to promote. You could use one of those websites like ClickBank or Digistore. I use a site called Impact Radius, but they're very strict and a little bit hard to get into, so I recommend Digistore if you're from just different countries in the world because it's available worldwide, or ClickBank if it's available in your country. So that's the first step. Let's head over to my computer. I could show you how this is done.
Now, once you've created your ClickBank account, what you'd want to do is head over to Marketplace here. Once this is loaded, you could see there's top offers, saved offers, and new offers. If you already know your niche, like I said, you could click to the side here and go into whatever niche you're in. But just for the sake of this, I would just use something from the top offers section, and it's always good to search by gravity because that lets you know which product is actually converting well. This item has a gravity score of 818, which means it's a really great product to promote. It says it's recurring, which means that you'd get paid monthly as long as a customer stays with this item or stays with the product, whatever it is. And then what you'd also want to do is go head over to the affiliates page just to check it out to make sure everything is in order. And when you scroll down all the way to the bottom, this is where you find out the affiliate terms, just to ensure that you don't go against anything that the company has said not to do when it comes to advertising their products. Once you've decided on an affiliate offer, what you have to do is click promote. Once you click promote, it'll show you this page. You don't need to add a tracking ID, it's not necessary. And then you click create hop link. Once you've clicked that, you need to copy the link it's created. That will be your personalized link that you could advertise. So what you will need to do is copy this, and I recommend storing it in Notepad. That way if you need it, it's right there.
Now for the second step, you need to create a Hercules account. This is fairly simple and probably will only take you 1 minute.
So all you have to do is search Hercules into Google, and then you click this, which is the first option you would see. Once you get on Hercules, as you can see, it already tells you advertise to thousands daily for free. When you scroll down a little more, they show you all the different attributes about this great platform. Now all you'd have to do is simply click get started. Once you've done that, it's going to take you to this page where you simply add in your information and then you hit create an account. Once you've logged into your Hercules account, it should take you to this page. You should be able to see these items. Now once you see this item, click where you see add mailers, and once it's loaded again, you would see another ad. Ignore that, you'd click continue to add mailers. Now once you get to this page, this is where you'd be able to send out your free email. But hold on, we're not ready for that yet. We need to actually create the email.
Now for the third step, you need to draft out that $1 million email. Now, if you have great copywriting and persuasive skills, go ahead and write it out yourself. Use Grammarly. I normally tend to write all my essays, I should say, in Grammarly because then it gives you corrections and it can help you out in the way you write it in things. I'll have a link to that in the description. If you don't, there's actually a robot which could do that for you. Me and him go way back to when I found out about him a week ago on the internet, and he has been amazing. Do you want to meet him? Yeah? Okay, follow me. I'll leave a link for him in the description. But let me just show you how you could type out this email to literally earn you lots of commissions. And the good thing about it is that you could use it to try out this method, and you could use it out when you've grown your own email list. The opportunities are endless. That's why he's my bro. Or she.
Copy AI. What you have to do is just sign up for an account, which is free, so you could sign up using your email. Then they're gonna ask you a couple questions. You could just honestly skip the questions if you're really not interested, and then just hit get started. Now once you get to this page, what you want to do is click email or letter. Once you get into this side of the copy AI, you need to add in the necessary items. It would ask you for the name of the brand, which is XCPO. As you can see, we went here and then we found XCPO. After that, you need to describe the product. So it's a pill, a healthy weight loss pill of a mix of 8 exotic nutrients. You could write more or less, but I simply just took this from this top paragraph here. Then you click the tone of how you want it to sound: friendly, luxury, professional. I want it to sound persuasive. And then you click create copy. Now I've already done this, and as you can see, we got a bunch of different subject lines. Lose weight and keep it off. The new weight loss secret revealed. Bikini ready in 6 weeks. I like this one. The first one, it says, the wish for fast and healthy weight loss pill is our command. That seems really nice. So what you do is copy, and then if you like it but it's not quite there, what you do is hit more like this, and then it would give you more options like this one, so you could see. We give you the best pills for weight loss, so you can say goodbye to your overeating problems. That one is quite specific. So there's a bunch of different examples, but I think I'll stick to the first one. What you do is copy it. Once you copy it, you head over back to Hercules, and then you simply click paste. Then you head back over to Notepad and get your affiliate link. So you also click copy, and then you paste it right here. Now for the body, what I recommend, in the corner you click digital ad copy, and what you do is click general ad copy. Now it takes you to this page. Again, we have the name of our product and we need to describe it and how we want to sound. So you go back and forth with the site, you see the main points, and then you add it into the description. So you see I type this out, and then I want to sound persuasive. So again, I click create copy. So what we'll do, we'll take this one. This one, I like this one. It seems pretty nice and pretty simple.
So yes, now once you've written everything, you just want to take him over to Grammarly, paste it in there, make sure everything is spelled correctly and good grammar. Okay, that wasn't funny.
So you hit paste and then view your item and make sure it's good. It tells you, so and you put your comma and XCPO, it's a name, so you hit X. And there you go. Now you copy your item again.
And then from there, what you want to do is head over once again back to Hercules. And now I'll show you exactly how you're going to send it out to 1,000 people with a click of a button.
And then you paste it in. And there you go. Now that you have your ad ready, all you need to do is simply hit submit. And just like that, as you could see at the top, your ad has been successfully submitted to 1,000 members. You see where it says back to mailer, you click back to mailer, and then as you can see, it says you'll be able to submit another ad in 6 hours, 17 minutes, and 34 seconds. Once that's done, you can head right over here and submit another ad. And you could do this every day, guys, every single day until you make some sales.
So now that you've sent out your email, all you could do is just wait. You'll be able to see how many clicks and how many conversions you're getting, and then hopefully you get some commissions. If not, that is completely okay. You could do it again tomorrow. Now that you've seen this video, if affiliate marketing is something you've been planning to get into, then I recommend you give this a try. Now you always need to remember that this is not an email list you've grown yourself. This is, again, not targeted. so the numbers could be higher or lower. What I recommend you also do after giving this a try is go out there and try to build out your own email list, and then from there you could hit those numbers and get those high commissions whenever you send out an email. And remember, there's retargeting, so you send out email sequencing, which could easily turn your numbers from a simple, again, $630 to $2,000. If you learned something from this video, you need to check out this other video on my channel, because I could guarantee you may learn something you didn't already know.